So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to initialize our final variables, which are just our different doors. Then we're going to write our first method, which is door without prize, right, because it's a function. And this is going to return, as it sounds, the door without a prize. Alrighty, now that we got that, we're going to write remaining doors, and this is going to return in a string form the doors that are remaining. Now we're going to write a function called remaining door, and this is going to be that last door that's possible to choose from between the different doors. Alrighty, now we just have to print off the results in another function, and this is based off of if we won or lost. Finally, we have to call all of these functions, and we also have to incorporate a bit more logic. So we're going to see how many games you want to play, loop through that, choose different doors, and all that fun stuff. Make sure that you also use system.out.print and not print line, and this will make sure that the text that you type is on the same line. And now there's a bit of a bug in the code, so just gotta get that sorted out. There we go, so just play the game out. It's a whole lot of fun.